Hi, I'm John from Mission Lean, and today we're going to talk about complementary muscle groups and why they are key so that you can get an absolute killer workout the next time you head to the gym. It may seem like a simple trick, but coming to this realization took me years of experimenting with different workouts. The trick is training complementary muscle groups in your workouts. And when doing this, you want to move from one move directly into the next without a break. If you train in this way, you'll be able to experience great strength gains, cardio burn, and incredible balance within your body. Now, what does that mean, training complementary muscle groups? It means working out muscle groups that support one another and that function together in the movement of the body. Two great examples of complementary muscle groups, the abs and the lower back, as well as the quads and the hamstrings. Working them out together will allow you to reach your goals more effectively and efficiently. When I train my core, I always start with an ab move, followed by a lower back move. I'll knock out a solid set of crunches and then immediately head to the back extension machine. When I do this, my heart rate stays elevated because I'm not resting in between exercises. Furthermore, I'll feel the entire core getting stronger on both sides of my body. That means my abs and my back, as opposed to just one part. This will keep my body balanced and equally toned. And in this way, I'll avoid injury for the long run, since no part of my body will be weaker than the other. Every muscle will be trained and strengthened consistently. The same goes for the legs. I'll hit the leg extension machine for the quads, and then right away move into the Swiss ball hamstring exercise. This is a powerful combo for the legs, and one that's integral to the Mission Lean training program. Again, you're getting a great cardio workout because your heart rate is elevated, and also you're training the complementary muscle groups. The front and back of your legs are feeling the burn, which helps you add strength and also stability in your body. Not to mention creating functional strength all around. So in your next workout, try this trick by training your complementary muscle groups and reaping the results. Let's get after it. Now that you know all about gaining an edge by training complementary muscle groups, try working out with our app, Mission Lean, which is available in the App Store and the Google Play Store. Also, you can check out our free fitness ebook on missionlean.com. Let me know what your thoughts on this video by commenting below and giving me the thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Check out the site for even more free resources, recipes, and workouts. And of course, download our app, Mission Lean, on the App Store. And if you want to get started right away, you're going to get lean in no time. Let's do this.